Are you curious to know what's inside your laundry perfume and why it's safe for your skin? Let's dive in. I am Ganahl, and as a perfumer, I'm using my creativity together with my scientific background to design irresistible scent that you will love. Like fashion, trends evolve and you will all find your favorite scent. Most of these perfume ingredients are familiar to you. We are using citrus oil coming from lemon or orange peel. For florals, we are using lavender or ylang flowers. By the way, did you know that lavender and laundry are sharing the same Latin word, lavare, meaning to wash? That's the reason why, for centuries, people have been using lavender sachet in their clothes to deliver a fresh scent. Since a fresh and clean scent is crucial in laundry, we ensure our fragrances are designed with the greatest care and attention to safety. To define the safe use levels of our fragrances in our laundry products, we make sure that we follow all the global regulations and the International Fragrance Association guidelines. Actually, you only need a few drops of perfume per wash. Upon drying, the perfume will evaporate and leave your garments safe next to your skin. So, next time you enjoy the scent of your laundry, remember the art of science behind every wash.
Always keep away from children.